You're on my channel, you already know. I used to run the largest marketing company in the history of the planet, and this is how they used to sell slider bags. Guess what? Slider bags became freezer bags. Notice the blue color. From purple to blue. And there you go. It's all about colors. That's why if you're on my channel, you find out it's all about colors. Sometimes I have to wing it. Sometimes I get the real. I've never had London Broil Savoy. I know Stretch is going to be standing right next to me the second I make this and eat it and be like, oh, wow, that was amazing. Just like the guy behind me was, wow, those are amazing pieces of meat. I didn't plan on it. I was actually going to spend more money for Black Angus, but there you go. I found these two pieces of meat. I was like, wow. Well, Google has to start paying me real soon. Not 1%, but big time. There you go. It's time to Savoy these. There's my Savoy marinade, and bam! There it goes. Put that there in case it's leaky. Get rid of the air. This weekend, I was like the biggest famous celebrity ever. People like, I remember you. Can you reshoot my car? Make me famous. I was like, you already are. And there you go. That's a fat piece of meat. I thought this one was fatter. This one's fatter. All right. Now, when I take this and I marinate it, I'll lay it in the refrigerator. I'll put this up against the wall. Let it sit. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'll flip it again and then into the freezer. And that's how I marinate. And for somebody I used to know, actually his wife's husband, this is how I roll. Love it.